Hello guys, welcome to in this video. Guys, we'll discuss in this video regarding marketing automation. So this session will be going to be a very fantastic because of we are going to the marketing automation. We'll cover in this video all marketing source and the marketing channel like SMS automation, email automation, voice automation, digital automation and automate campaign, how we can nurture engage our customer according their history and behavior and generate the sales automatically and generate we can use the drip campaign automation drip campaign module to generate the hot lead to filter my data and in a short time and generate the my result. you know I'll take an example. For example, you are into the education industry, you are running a university or college. So what you do that you allow to your counselors to you do the manual calls or cold call to reach your customer to filter your generate your admission or lead, right? So I'm telling to you in this video the quick way how you can generate your hot lead without doing your much more effort, right? Because this will work mean that you are doing the work in the 3 days. So I'm sure that you will be generating the opportunity in a single day. You will be reducing the tons of your times as well your team effort, and you will be allowing your team work on the niche leads instead of that work on the raw data and generate the lead, right? So I'm going to tell you how you can work on that and reduce the tons of hours. Okay, so as I told you in the last video, the digital identity, you can create your landing page, or if you don't have your website, you can use this landing page to display and showcase your latest information about your courses, about your products and services. So this is a drag and drop based landing page or might be the microsite, you can say. And now I'm going to tell you, if you have your database, your customer database you purchased from the market, as I take an example, education university. So you have the student database and you have the up to 10 or 20 people in your sales team. Okay, I'm telling you the fast way and quick way where you will be generating your expected result in a less time. So SMS, everybody knows the bulk SMS marketing. So if you are in India or out of India, you can do the bulk SMS, but this option is working in the, if you are in India, the accessing. So guys, you need to do, before to send the SMS, you need to do one registration, that is called the DLT. This governed by the TRI. So you need to choose any operator like Geo, Videocon, all. So you have to get registered yourself and take the DLT ID, then you can indicate this DLT ID, then you will be able to send the bulk SMS. So before bulk SMS, there's a two type campaign you can run. One is the queue campaign. If you have data in your Excel, maybe the copy paste you want to do that, you are running in the retail market, or maybe you want to send message quickly. So this is a quick process. You need to only the select sender ID, and the header your message should be go to the 6-character ID. You can put your mobile number, for example I just put that, or maybe the choose your content, because if you cannot send message without DLT registration, and this notification running on your dash here display. So you can select your content with the template ID which I have already registered and approved my content. So according to the TRI guidelines, you cannot send SMS to your customer without verify. So it is necessary part and mandatory. You need to get registered yourself as a DLT registration and verify your content, then you will be able to send that. So guys, we will discussing about this all features like flash. You can select this button to show your message over your user display on phone directly once they receive your message. You can use Unicodes, this man the regional language. If you use Hindi, Malayalam or other language, yes, you can use that. And the tracking, very interesting part. This is that is called the tracking SMS, and fantastic features to generate your instant response and will give you the report all. If anybody click your URL which you have mentioned your message, if you allow to your users and your customer, so visit on this URL to get more information. So just you need to click on the track URL and select one CTI, yes, and click on that and save. Click on the save button. So we'll be getting the SMS URL tracking through by home visited your URL. So we'll getting the all those people number, okay, without filling any kind of form. So this is a very I can say, so quickly generating way. I can use that. That's a quick way to send your SMS. There is no required to schedule a message. You can send the instant, right? You can select your group or CSV format. You can send the common separate value. You want to send the message in the name of customer. Hey Rahul, hey Mr. Ramesh, here student, with the name of the student. You can use the CSV import format. And coming another part, you can schedule message if you need to do, because if you are not send you don't want to send now, you can send it tomorrow. So you can schedule a message. Select your scheduling. So guys, as I told you, you can schedule your message quickly. If you want to send your message to next day, automatically your message should be scheduled and send your customer. So you can select the schedule message. Guys, same thing we can do quick way. We can use the email automation. If I need to send the bulk email in a one shot and a single click, I can use this quick way. Same thing, I need to create a template. So as I can tell you how we can use and create a template of email. So there is no matter of that. You can use the SMS template or email template here. You can create here, but I'm going to learn. I'm telling to here to create your email template. So guys, make sure you need to put your template name. For example, new 123 and subject new offering. Okay guys, before to going ahead, so I want to tell you to make your campaign of email. So as I told you, you need to have the required to DLT and approve your content. Same thing, I have to do one thing before to personalize my campaign, or maybe the schedule my campaign. I need to create a email template. You cannot it doesn't mean that you need to create an advanced template. Otherwise you can use the advanced for example, send email. If I click on that, so before click on that, your domain will be verified as a whitelist. I will do the whitelist your domain, so you can send your email from your domain. Okay, but you need to purchase the credit. That is not mean that your mail will be free of cost. No, is just because of your email domain will be used as a sender ID. Yes, so will your customer will get the information you are sending the email them with the name of your domain, right? So before to send the just as for example, I just need to send my email. So as I told you, it doesn't mean that to create your template first. You can create your own body. If you have the HTML coding, so you can use that HTML code. Okay, and type your message. Okay, so you type your message here directly and type your subject whatsoever, and put your database of your emails, how much you want to send them. More you can use the 50,000 email. For example, you can send the 50,000 recipient in a one shot. Okay, you need to keep below than that. Yes, if you are using the quick way of email. If you want to choose the template, so you can choose. If you have already created your template, so you can choose your template from here. Otherwise you need to create your template first. As I told you, this is mean, and on the drag and drop based I can create accordingly. So the two type template you can create is on the basis of the drag and drop, and personalize mean that you can send your personalized information, dynamic information from the your CRM which you have your database name, number, all other information, and the values you want to communicate with your customer. So there is a two type of template. You can create the personalized template or without personalized, and here we are going to create my own template where I want to just you can use your code, HTML code, or you can use the design element. Just I want to use any image look like, okay, or otherwise I can choose my ready to use template. I can click the food template. So guys, this is a good things we have. So you can use if you are you have your food industry, or you have on the food industry exhibition, so you can use this ready to use template. I need to only the edit all elements according my needs. I can keep it or remove it. Okay, for example, I just want to replace this image. I just click on that, and yes, okay, cell setting, and browse the image, on image. Okay, that's fine. Just click on that. Okay, this browse option has come, and I can choose this one, right, and apply this single image, yes, or I can use these heights as well or not. So guys, hopefully you got understood this some metallic yeah, this is a customer who are sending the birthday anniversary message or any banners they have created and designed. So this kind of image I can use that, yes, and replace any elements accordingly and create on the preview. I can see, and the save button. By the way, you can use this body anywhere because the HTML code always creates it automatically. So this we have successfully created one email template in the name of the new 123. Okay, so I can use this when we try to send the email. So I'm just coming on the dashboard. I can select and 123, yes, and get it done. Or if I need to send the view, click on the view of template, so I can see my body, email body, what I'm going to send out. So this look like, okay. So guys, this is a quick way I can use and send the bulk email from here. So all report will be coming, how many people view or open your email, yes, click anywhere or not, what is your CTO, click through rate, what is that. So we'll be getting the all report regarding that. And same thing, the voice campaign, the pre-recorded voice I want to send my customer to regarding, like I am in the banking finance, I want to send the like a recovery recorded video to request to the pay their due, or might be the I want to send my vendors, my customer, to send any custom offer, any kind of reminder throw after throwing the recorded voice. So same thing we can do, guys, as we did in SMS marketing, quick way, email marketing automation, voice automation. So I need to first of all upload my voice. I just need to get recorded my video audio from any studio, or might be the in-house yourself. So you need to first of all create your upload your audio, and then you can send your voice to your database as you do as usual do on SMS and email. There is a simple way you can run your quick campaign from here. Now I am going to the interesting part of the automate campaign, how we can run my automate campaign without any putting my database. This mean that this automated campaign features will work on your CRM database. Yes, it doesn't work on your manual data or maybe the copy paste or Excel. No, it works only on or over your CRM database, where you need to do one thing before to send your automated campaign, because of you need to create your segment. Or that is not mean that you need to go with the segment mean that you want to do the personalized communication and send the message to particular customer according their history and behavior. That's why the reason you need to go to the segment and create your database list, as we have covered this portion already in the last video. So I'm not going to tell you that again. So I just click on the automated campaign. I just want to show you how it look like. No mean that created my list of database. I just click on the old database which I have already maintained in my CRM. So guys, we have come finally on this screen, and click on the plus icon and click on the next button. So guys, you are looking these are schedule campaign or event campaign. So I have just have the three options: SMS, mail, voice. So what I want to send SMS and put my any campaign name. So as I told you, so need to create your own segment list, or otherwise you can choose your all database which you have already mentioned, your all CRM, all leads. I'm selecting the all leads. I'm not whatsoever the history or behavior of database. So I'm just sending this database commonly. Yes, message commonly to all. For example, festive wishes. So it means that I need to send the all. If I have created my custom offer and scheme, so I don't require to send the all. So then we can use the segment. Otherwise, no required to use the segment. Exclude previous features. Exclude to whom I don't want to send the SMS or email. For example, I just create a list of Delhi database. I selected the all database, but I have the all country database. So I don't want to which country don't want to send the message to a particular country. For example, don't want to send the Mumbai database, because I have that database from Mumbai in my old database. So I can select the exclude list. Yes, I need to create a segment in this scenario. It will not exclude not to only you are going to select the all. What happened and what is the sense of that? For example, I have the 10,000 data for all India basis, right, or according my customer my industry, right, but I don't want to send the Delhi's database. So what I need to do, I have to create the segment of the database, and then I need to select that list from the exclude scenario, right? This and in the just look like okay, and just click on that, use this and select. And yes, one more information guys here, because of if you are making this campaign, so you need to do one thing more. You need to create your own scheduling, because of this campaign it works on the scheduled or maybe the quick way. Yes, it doesn't because of as it in the before previous we have created the custom campaign or with the queue campaign we learned, but this automated campaign we need to do one thing more, that is called a scheduling, because my purpose is to send the message or email according don't want to send the once. I want to send the every week, I want to send the every month of, and the particular day, particular week of day, particular month of day, so I need to create a after going to the setting. So I would like to tell you in the setting discussion I'll tell you. So this is my sender ID, my account, my template. If I need to I have created my SMS template. So because without verified your content you cannot send, you need to approve your content over your DLT, correct, and select URL. If I need to track my any visitors, yes, and then so there's a two option already come here, has come. The run at mean that you want to run only once, okay, so I click next and finish that. If I don't want to once, I just want to send the according my schedule. So I have created multiple scheduling list coming here. So just weekly reportedly, weekly a day number, Wednesday 9:45. It means that in a particular week, every week Wednesday my message should be go to customer. That is scheduling mean. But is a monthly options mean that monthly January, February, March, April, May, June, July. I just want to include or exclude according my need, and on which time and days. Only first of every month my message or email going to the customer, and 10 o'clock 16 minute, okay. So this means that I have created this all schedule list. I can select one, daily this time or maybe monthly. So my message automatically run according my schedule. Okay, yes, click on that. All preview you can watch here in the your right side, and yes, you don't need to select this one or click on the finish button. So guys, I hope you learn in this video about to the automated campaign. So you can select to the segment list or maybe the select all database, and need to first of all create your scheduled, then this will work, otherwise not. Okay, so we have learned all type of campaign to generate my drip campaign. Now we are going to the very interesting part, that is the engagement center and signals, how we will get the notification if anybody open my email, open my SMS. So what I need to do that, so I need to do that in the engagement center I can choose and give the condition to the system and on my triggers. If anybody click or open my email, so what kind of SMS or email or what's going to the customer, this section I have to already created here, inquiry open email. For it mean that if any customer open my email, so again that customer my message or email, voice or WhatsApp again must to go. Okay, and that point in that events, because there's a three ways to your campaign. One is a quick way, second is a automated according my schedule campaign when I need to send the SMS to customer, and third is very interesting part, event based campaign. Event based campaign works once you get any event, and when any event happen in your CRM, so system will get the information and then trigger should be work on that. Okay, so these the trigger campaign have the more than 250 triggers. You can on, then you can active this all campaign and engage your customer according their action. If you do the mark a follow up on your lead, so you can decide if any lead or your team member mark as a follow up or create a pipeline. Yes, create a ticket as you looking that lead ticket resolved. For example, your team tickets, your team already generate ticket or resolve them, mark as a resolved. So what kind of message or email or WhatsApp should be go that? Yes, for example, call outcome marked as for inquiry, your team put your call status, so that time your message, email, voice or WhatsApp going to the, there is a 4 channel you can activate according your need. There are 3 campaign is activated, so you are looking here, so numbers is running, right? Lead ticket close, if your team member closed the lead ticket. Okay, so what kind of WhatsApp should be run, so you can activate accordingly. Okay, so I hope you got the things. The marketing sequence, guys, there is a fantastic things also we are going to discuss, that is a marketing sequence. It will work look like for example, I'm taking a WhatsApp, so I have sent the one WhatsApp, I have taken button in that my template look like median text to message. So median text to message I have created 2 buttons. So if somebody click on the interested button or maybe the apply now, for example, order now, I just send the message to give the information to the customer and allow to them order now, apply now, interested button. So I can create my custom events or custom sequence. If anybody click on that particular button, so what kind of activity should be run and that in that time. So guys, in this scenario, WhatsApp scenario, I was just general activity I can use as well. So but I'm making here the WhatsApp sequence. If anybody reply that, for example, so what kind of template or what kind of docs, what kind of video, what kind of SMS, email, voice, or what kind of activity should be done when I got response from my WhatsApp button. Okay, so that is called the sequence. On the basis of sequence we make it is easily. Okay, there is a not only in that point only we can cover, there is a general activity you can also capture and do the action. Okay, allow to the system to do the action. And the workflow management, there's a good features to make your sales, marketing, service process automate and reduce your manual effort as well the human dependency, and generate or make your sales and service automated. So how it works, only will take a one single example, like I just put my name, I am making my workflow. So I just decided one tree I conditions, because this work on the condition. For example, look like for example quotation approved, because if I create my quotation, so or my manager approved, for because I have given the option to approval, I don't send I cannot send to the my customer directly this quotation. I need to take the approval from my manager. If my manager marked as approval, like, so what should be condition run on that event? Yes, for example, so book the appointment, or I'll be getting the notification, I'll be getting send email to the lead creator, send email to the lead assign user, send email to the lead. For example, lead, it's directly customer is getting the notification your quotation is approved. Yes, so that is the condition. On the basis of that, I can make it. For example, I just want to select the task management, send the message to lead. Okay, now I can make another condition. For that, I can select sender ID, from which sender ID my message will go to that, and what template will be going. This message will go to the first number, second number, third number. Yes, is unique. And another action I can decide, if conditions, right? So this entity like appointment. Okay, look like, just I want to tell you, and just delete it. Okay, I create only this workflow, right? I can create more than that accordingly. If I take example again, ki, if any email open my if any customer and lead open my email, to what I want to do that, I created this history, my triggers, I can create again. For example, email lead open my email, lead open click in my email. For example, I just give the call to action button in my email body. So if as customer click on that link, so what I can do, and I want to send that lead event, yeah, lead visit a mail link. Okay, now I'm deciding same condition. I want to send okay, yes, I just want to make fix my appointment. If anybody click on that click to action button, so I want to create my leads, I want to create my task all, and tasks should be assigned to particular person, and I can put title, I can put description, remarks all, and create my workflow. So workflow, as I told you, the purpose of that to make your sales, marketing and service process automate. Okay, I'm sure and I hope you got the all points in this we have covered in this video regarding with the marketing automation. So we learn about the marketing automation in this video, and we will meet in the next video for further communication and further information. Thank you for watching.